I'm interested in this TV.
Yeah, so it's a,
I need this TV to help with
Sony?
my conquest of Walgreens.
it's a Sony. It's
That's great. I'm interested
got
in
a-
say, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I need this TV to help with my conquest of Walgreens.
Yeah, I don't know why you want this TV. It doesn't work. It's been sitting out in the rain, and as you can see with the plug there, I don't think that would work too good.
You just use a cough drop.
A cough drop, you say? Well, yeah, I guess that could work. I don't know how that would work, but I mean, I guess
You would just lick it and stick it on there. Say.